Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Asana Administrator Certificate. This is the limited time offer and get of $199 value in 2026. So this is 100% free and value of this certification is $199. We'll go through the step-by-step process. So want to become a confident Asana admin and manage your organization Asana setup like a pro. In this video, I'll walk through the Asana Administrator Certification learning path from the Asana Academy, what is include and who is it for and how it you can complete it step by step. So this certificate program is designed for the help you the build real admin level skill through the structured learning and prove your knowledge through a scenario based capstone project, a time multiple choice exam. So you will also learn how to program a split into the two parts, foundation and advanced, and how completing both the unlock and final assessment need to be earned the credential. So perfect for new Asana admin, IT operations team managing Asana, anyone responsible for organization wide Asana governance and setting, professional looking for validated Asana admin enterprise. So certificate includes structured learning path, that is the foundation and advanced, capstone project, final exam, and hands-on admin concept and best certificate particip practicals. So official learning path will be this one. So we'll go through this link. So this is the page. So Asana Administrator Certificate. Develop the essential administrator skill like you need to successfully set up, secure, and manage the Asana environment. So get started is there. And program overview is there. Limited time offer. All certificates are free for the limited time. Value of this certificate is $199.99. Just remember that. So by earning the Asana certificate, you will develop the admin skill. You need to effectively set up, secure, and manage the Asana environment. Its user. So what you will learn, you can go through the step by step. All the details are given there and how it works. So certificate structure into progressive course and depend your expertise in Asana Administrator. So learning path is there at Asana Administrator Certificate orientation. Then get started and administrator. Set up your Asana environment. Set up user and team. Set up apps and AI tools so enhance work and manage change and manage your Asana apps access, manage your Asana security, manage your users, understanding advanced admin action, share, apply, and final with the exam Asana administrator certificate. Put your skill into test, completing a capstone project and exam to verify your Asana administrator enterprise. This is a 90-minute exam is there. Just click any one of that. So Asana administrator certificate, you can go through the step by step process and there is a sign up option is there. So we'll go through the get started. You can log in with Google. So we have done all the things. So sign up with Google. So you can see I am logged in. Okay. So let me refresh again. So you got the page. I am logged in. So click on get started. Okay. View my course. It will open again. So Asana Administrator Certificate, limited time offer, everything is there. Click on Get Started. So click on Resume. So this is the content part. You have to complete all the topics. So next, part 1. So as I told you before, you have to complete step by step all the topics and all the things. And last, you have to provide the exam. You will get certified on this. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 copyrighted 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Tutorial. Thank you.